Yummy.
Nice things, nice things, nice things. One good girl, yeah, do the right thing. One with yourself and like your style wing.
Want to learn how to make your own spicy chicken sandwich right at home? Keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my spicy chicken sandwich. As usual, I'm gonna go through all the ingredients that you guys are gonna need to make this chicken sandwich. So first and foremost, I have my chicken breast right here. I'm gonna leave all the seasonings, measurements, and everything down below in the description box for you guys. I have some pickles. I couldn't find the regular cut pickles, so today I'm gonna be using the kosher dill spirit pickles that I'm gonna cut. I have some heavy whipping cream. I don't have no buttermilk right now, so I'm just substituting heavy whipping cream. You just need some kind of milk to base your chicken. I have some chicken dipping sauce. Mayo. I'm using two different hot sauces today. I'm using Old Bay and my favorite hot sauce, which is Grace hot pepper sauce. I have 1 egg, flour, oil of course for frying, and then last but not least I have my buns. I wanted to get some brioche buns, but I did not go to my regular grocery store, so I just picked up what I saw. This is just some sliced enriched buns. These will be good, but you could use whatever kind of buns you'd like. So we currently have our frying pan on medium heat. We're gonna go ahead and add in some oil. Just enough to get our chicken fried well. So right here I have 2 bowls. I have an empty bowl that I'm gonna add my heavy whipping cream and my egg to, and then I have another bowl here that I have some flour in. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and crack my egg. I'm gonna remove the eye of the egg. Next, I'm gonna add in my heavy whipping cream. Here I have some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add in a little bit to my mixture. Next, I'm gonna take some paprika and add some as well. So for one of the fun parts of this whole process, I'm adding in my hot sauce. This is the Old Bay hot sauce. Also adding in some Grace hot sauce. Then we're just gonna mix everything all together. I know that some people like to season their flour, but today I'm not gonna be doing that. I feel like everything is already seasoned how I want it to, so I don't want it to be salty, so I'm just gonna leave my flour as is. First, I'm adding the chicken breast to the flour. Get it nice and coated. Shake off any excess flour. Then I add it to my cream mixture. Now I'm adding it back to the flour. Guys, at this point the oil is completely hot and the chicken is ready to be added in. So I'm just gonna allow this to fry on this side for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come and flip it over to the other side. So this has been frying for about 3 minutes, so what I'm gonna do is just turn it over to the other side. Look how nice and golden this looks already. So we're just gonna repeat the same process for this side and allow it to fry for about 3 minutes. So at this point, it's been 3 minutes frying on the other side. So as you can see, right in the middle here, it's not done. So I'm gonna flip it over again. Now I'm gonna allow it to fry for an additional 3 minutes on the other side. Okay guys, at this point we're pretty much finished. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. Look how nice and golden this is. So I'm just gonna let this go for 1 minute, then I'm gonna take it out and drain the excess oil. So here we have the finished chicken breast. I'm just soaking up the excess oil. Now I'm about to prep my bun and my sauce to get the sandwich ready. So I'm just adding a little bit of butter to each half. That's good. So for my sauce today, I'm gonna be adding Always hot sauce, Grace hot pepper sauce, mayo, and my chicken dipping sauce. All the measurements and ingredients are gonna be down below in the description box, like I said. Once my sauce is finished, this is what it looks like. Okay guys, now it's time to assemble our sandwich. Following up, I'm taking my chicken, adding it to the bottom half. Since I don't have the pickles that's already sliced, I'm gonna go ahead and add my dill spears that I cut all over the top of my chicken. Now I'm gonna take some more sauce, and lastly take the top half. There you have the final chicken sandwich, guys. We have a lot of chicken that we're working with today, but it's best to have more chicken than a little bit. I hope you guys try this recipe and I hope you enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know how you make your spicy chicken sandwich, and if you do try it, please let me know your feedback as well.